Welcome back. It's day 2, and we're turning up the focus on your core. This hoop is going to help you feel those abs. Since abs is the focus, you'll want to keep your stomach muscles tucked in throughout the entire workout. Remember, the goal is to build a strong core. Let's jump right into our warm-up. Let's get it.
So we'll begin our warm-up with torso twists, 30 seconds. You want to keep your feet planted and you're twisting only your upper body. That way you can feel it in the abs. Of course, you want to make sure your abs are tucked in the entire workout. Okay, now get ready to transition into side bends. Make sure that you're reaching as far as you can as you bend and feel that stretch in your sides. Always include a good warm-up before your workout because it prepares your muscles for activity and then it maximizes the benefits. Alright, you're doing awesome. Now we're going to transition into our main workout. Today we're doing 8 minutes of continuous hooping. So get ready and begin. Since our focus today is on core, we're going to include some intervals where we'll be twisting and holding as we hold our tummy in and we stay twisted to the right first and then the left. And we're going to hold it for 2 minutes before we switch to the other side. You guys are doing great. Look at how far you've come in just one day. Now that you've got your rhythm, we're going to start those intervals coming up soon. So make sure that you stay focused, keep your groove going, and let's get it. Okay, so we're going to begin our first interval. You're going to keep your feet planted. You're going to turn your upper body to the right. You're going to hold it there. You're going to keep your tummy tucked in as you continue to hoop. Make sure that you focus on keeping your rhythm. You don't need to go fast, just make sure that the ball doesn't stop. We're going to hold this position for a full 2 minutes before we rotate to the other side. You guys got this, you can do it. Remember, you're building a stronger core with every spin, so stay consistent and keep your rhythm. You just completed a minute. 1 minute to go, and then we'll rotate to the left. You can do this. All right, now we're going to rotate to the left. We're going to do the same thing. Rotate upper body only, feet completely planted, stomach in, hoop going. Stay focused. We're already halfway through with our continuous hooping. So stay focused and let's do this. Focus on being consistent. Make sure that you keep the same pace. Don't speed up and slow down, but keep it consistent. This allows the pounds to melt. As you progress through this 7-day challenge, you want to make sure that you're always keeping your arms above your waist out of the way of that ball. And you want to always keep your abs engaged so that you can get maximum benefits. Okay, now you're going to rotate back to forward facing, but this time you're going to raise your hands above your head and keep it there for 2 minutes. Let's do it. So when you successfully complete this 7-day challenge, it means that you have graduated. So you'll be able to head on over to our video library and grab one of our 15-minute workouts. You can do this. Keep it up, guys. You get the satisfaction of knowing you're doing your body good. All right, well done. You've completed 8 minutes of continuous hooping. Give yourself a hand. All right, so we're going to jump on into our cool down. So stop your hoop and let's do some torso twists. 30 seconds. Next, we're going to transition into shoulder rolls. We're going to start with the backward shoulder rolls for 30 seconds, and then we'll transition to forward. Begin. Next, transition into forward shoulder rolls. guys did a great job today. You showed up and you showed out. Tomorrow we're going to work on endurance. So make sure you get some rest, drink plenty of water, and do your stretches. Day 2 is complete. Tomorrow we're going to work on endurance. So give yourself a hand, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.